This English vocabulary quiz consists of 25 questions, which will assess your competence in using the appropriate word in the given context. Are you ready? Let's get started. He lowered his voice to the baby from waking. He lowered his voice to keep the baby from waking. I had to. My appointment after my boss changed plans. I had to reschedule my appointment after my boss changed plans. She tried to the problem before it affected the whole team. She tried to resolve the problem before it affected the whole team. He was to admit the mistake in front of everyone. He was reluctant to admit the mistake in front of everyone. We need to the house before the guests arrive tonight. We need to tidy up the house before the guests arrive tonight. We should the instructions before trying the machine again. We should clarify the instructions before trying the machine again. His speech was designed to the main risks of the job. His speech was designed to emphasize the main risks of the job. She was enough to keep calm during the emergency. She was brave enough to keep calm during the emergency. They decided to after a long argument about money. They decided to compromise after a long argument about money. The road signs helped drivers the construction area safely. The road signs helped drivers avoid the construction area safely. He was asked to his points during the interview. He was asked to elaborate his points during the interview. I need to my password because I keep forgetting it. I need to reset my password because I keep forgetting it. The new chairs are comfortable enough to long meetings. The new chairs are comfortable enough to endure long meetings. She was to spend so much money on one dress. She was unwilling to spend so much money on one dress. The plan was good, but it lacked enough to work well. The plan was good, but it lacked enough detail to work well. The team decided to launch until the report was ready. The team decided to postpone the launch until the report was ready. The new law may. How people use public transport. The new law may affect how people use public transport. The jacket was strong enough to the cold wind outside. The jacket was strong enough to withstand the cold wind outside. We need more workers if the project gets bigger. We need to hire more workers if the project gets bigger. He was asked the difference between the two products. He was asked to distinguish the difference between the two products. She had her luggage after the airline lost the tag. She had to identify her luggage after the airline lost the tag. She had her statement after receiving new evidence. She had to revise her statement after receiving new evidence. I need this payment before the account is closed. I need to settle this payment before the account is closed. The team needed the weaker points in their report. The team needed to address the weaker points in their report. He managed the conversation back to the main topic. He managed to redirect the conversation back to the main topic. Don't forget to share your score in the comments section. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful content. See you in our next videos.